Hello everyone, myself Abhi. Today we are discussing about templates. First, in templates, we are discussing about tags and tags. Template tags, a guide. Template tags are powerful tool for a web development, enabling dynamic content generation with within your HTML templates. The, temp- the templates they allows you to inject data logic and control flow into your templates, making them more flexible and innovative interactive. This is about the template tag. They are flexible and enabling where you can inject data and logic to your control to your HTML data. Syntax and usage of template tags. Basic structure and some examples we are discussing. Basic structure structures. Template tags typically follow a consistent syntax, often enclosed within a special delimitaries like open bracket and close, or percentage and open bracket close. They might be used or variables, loops, conditional or function. This is a basic structure of templates tags with the syntax usage, where it is consistent syntax, often enclosed within the special delimitaries like and or percentage and percentage. They might be used in variable, loops, conditionals or functions. Example, for instance, template tags might be used to display user's name like open bracket percentage username percentage close, or the iterate over a list of an item like percentage open bracket percentage for an item in an item percentage. Advantages of using template tags. Code separation. Template tags separates your presentation logic from your application logic, making your codes cleaner and easier manage. In templates tag, code separation is easier. And second one, reusability. Templates can be reused across the multiple pages, reducing redundancy and improving efficiency. It is reusable where the templates can be reused again and again. Maintainability. Template stacks helps to keep your code organized and easy to understand, making it simpler to maintain and update. Maintenance is very easy in template stack. Flexibility. Template stacks also allow you to dynamically modify your content based on a different condition and the data, providing a more flexible and engaging user experience. The advantages using template stacks are code separation, reusability, maintainability, and flexibility. Example for rendering dynamic content. Data source, template tags, and output. Data source. Imagine you have the list product stored in a database. Template tags. You can use template tags to fetch and display this data in your HTML. Output. The result will be dynamic list and product on your web pages. Web pages updating automatically whenever the data changes. Example for conditional rendering. User authentication and conditional logic. You might in user authentication you might want to show the different content depending on the whether a user is logged in or not. Conditional logic. Template tags can be used to implement this logic, displaying specific element or section based on a user authentication status. These are the conditional rendering, where the user authentication and conditional logics. Where in user authentication, it depends on the whether the user is logged in or not. In conditional language, tags can be used to implement this logic, display specific elements or section based on the user authentication status. Example for looping through the data. Data structure, looping mechanism, output. Data structure. You have an array of or a list of blocks post with each with title, author, and content. Looping mechanism. Template stacks allow you to iterate through this array, rendering separate HTML blocks for each post. Output. The result is dynamically generated list of the blog post on your website. Website update automatically a new post are added. It is a looping through a data where looping mechanism stacks allows you to iterate through the array and rendering separate HTML blocks for each post. Template stack performance consideration. Optimization, caching, and pre-completion. In optimization, efficient queries. In caching, minimizing the loops and pre-compilation code complexity. Nesting template stacks. Organization, flow of controls, and readability. Organization nesting the templates stacks helps to structure the parallel template logic. Flow control it enables to complex logic within your templates, making them more readability. Nesting make your code easier to read the read and understand. Here you can see the structure parent double slash structure nested structure double slash close bracket close. Extending and customizing the template stack. Flexibility and reusability. Flexibility extend the functionality of existing template stacks to meet your specific needs. In reusability, create a custom template stacks for a common task, making your templates more efficient and maintainability. Best practice practices for the template stacks usage. Consistent modularity, performance, and documentation. Consistency. Maintain the consistent style and syntax for your template stacks. Modularity. Break down your templates into the smaller reusable components for improved maintainability. Performance. Optimizing your templates tags usage for optimal performance, minimizing the unnecessary overhead. Documentation. Document your template tags thoroughly or easier understanding and maintenance. Thank you.